So this is the Govee Christmas strip lights. We picked these up because our current lights were handed down to us from Mel's parents, along with the tree, along with being very old Christmas lights that had to be daisy chained to work. If one bulb burnt out, we had to replace that one in order for it to work. And also, in order to turn these old Christmas lights into smart lights, I had to plug it into a smart plug so we could have the lights integrated into our smart ecosystem and give it voice commands to turn it on or set it on an automatic timer. With these Govee strip lights, we are able to remedy all of these problems. So this strip light is 66 feet. It was long enough to wrap around a normal sized tree at least once, with a little bit of slack left over. It's compatible with Google Home and Alexa, so if you're in either ecosystems, these lights should be able to integrate nicely. It comes with the instructions and a power cable and a block. I should mention as well, this is weatherproof but not waterproof, so you can still put it outside somewhere like on your railings, but I wouldn't put it out on a tree that is exposed to the elements. You can see the sealed connections here with the weather sealed caps here. It comes rolled in a coil, and all you will have to do is leave it until you're ready to install. There is no need to entwine the lights. If you leave it on the roll, it will be easier to install. So first we have to set up the tree. As I mentioned, this is Mel's childhood tree we got handed down from her parents. It comes in 3 separate parts and stands around 7 feet tall, but these strip lights are enough to wrap around the whole tree. So when installing these lights, you will want to install these first before all of the decorations and ornaments. I mentioned before you will want to keep it twined in the mini spool. If you leave it on the roll, it will be easier to install. Also, before you start, you will want to plug it in to make sure it works. So you will want to start from the bottom of the tree and unwind as you wrap it up around and upwards. The spool will make it easier to direct and hand off the line around the tree. Then, taking down the lights, you just do the opposite way and then you start from the top and wrap it into the coil. I will also say that we thought the light strips had to be more on the outside so you can see it better, but the little LEDs are strong enough so it is okay to tuck the strip lights into the tree. With the white wiring, you can really see when it's not tucked in and it just looks a bit messy. But if you tuck it into the tree, the white wiring will be hidden and then the LEDs between them will be bright enough to shine through the tree. If you do have a white tree, this shouldn't be much of a problem, but there is no black option for the wiring. So, and after installing the lights, feel free to put on your Christmas ornaments. With the lights installed, here are some of our favorite color themes. Some of the themes have some motion, some more than others. There is a lot to choose from. So depending on your mood, take a look at these ones and just choose your favorite. I also mentioned these strip lights were smart, so they integrate nicely into your smart home ecosystem. For us, it is Google, so we can give it a voice command like, turn on Christmas tree lights. There is also an interactive clapping game, so the faster and louder you clap, you will eventually light up the tree. I see this being a big hit with some of the younger audience when you have the family over for the holidays. So that was the Govee Christmas strip lights, a good addition to your Christmas decorations. It seems like over the years Govee just keeps on making new and innovative smart lights. They make some very sturdy lights that do weather the test of time. Heck, I even still have some of their old first edition strip lights on my desk. So if you guys like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Hit that bell notification for updates. We out.